Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all zero carb high protein diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs in 10 days very easily. Now recently my lots of clients asked for such a diet plan where they can go very strict with their diet and at the same time high protein options are given to them in meals, and yet they were able to see a huge transformation happening for themselves. And so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me and begin the transformation happening. So without any delay, let's get started with zero carb high protein diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs in 10 days very easily. Let's go through the rules of this diet plan. In this diet plan, there will be no sugar, no rice, no wheat, no processed food, and no starchy vegetables of any kind. So this diet plan will be accordingly designed for you. We'll try to have approximately 3 to 3.5 liters of water, including the herbal teas, at least twice or thrice a day. At the same time, reduction in the salt intake and making sure to complete at least 7 to 8,000 steps every single day with this diet plan. So now let's begin with the diet plan of zero carb high protein diet plan for helping you lose 10 kgs in 10 days very easily. Proceeding with the early morning drink. Early morning drink is empty stomach drink which you need to have approximately at 6:30 to 7 a.m. as soon as you wake up. You can either have a glass of warm, lukewarm lemon water, or you can have lemon water with added chia seeds to it. Both of these things work amazingly well for weight loss and to remove constipation and detoxify your system in the morning itself. Or if you cannot have this, then you can simply have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. All you have to do is add 1 teaspoon of ACV, that is apple cider vinegar, in 1 glass of lukewarm water, mix it well and have it empty stomach. Now this basically helps to balance your pH levels in the body and also reduces the blood sugar spikes when it comes to your food intake. So you can have either of these two options for your early morning drink. Along with that, you can have 5 soaked almonds, 2 walnuts, making sure to complete your brain development health foods as well. And now let's proceed towards our breakfast options for this diet plan, with which I'll be giving you 2 options. The first option is you can have egg omelette with paneer and spinach. Take 3 whole eggs, along with that 50 grams of paneer, spinach, green chilies, you can add turmeric powder, and make sure to have it in approximately 1 teaspoon of ghee or coconut oil. Prepare this omelette in as healthy manner as possible, high in protein, low in carbohydrates, and great for your weight loss. So you can have this option for your breakfast. Second option is for all of those who want to have something quick to prepare in the morning, that is like a smoothie. So you can have apple peanut butter banana smoothie. All I've done here is taken a blending jar, adding apple, peanut butter, banana to it. Along with that, you can add some almond milk or soy milk or low fat skim milk. Blend it all together and your delicious smoothie is ready. High in protein, low in carbohydrates, and works amazingly well for fat loss. So you can do try out these options for your breakfast. And now we'll proceed towards our mid-morning snack option, which comes between our lunch and breakfast time. So if you do feel hunger pangs happening during this time, then you can always consume 1 cup of green tea or black coffee as per your own choice if you like having it so. Herbal teas are very mandatory, so you can either have peppermint tea or chamomile tea in place of green tea. So you can have green tea, peppermint tea, chamomile tea, or black coffee or black tea. No sugar or no milk of any kind added to this. So you can have this for your mid-morning snack, or you can even have along with this 5 to 6 soaked almonds if you're not having it in breakfast. So you can have it along with this snack during your zero carb high protein meal. Proceeding towards our lunch options, for which I'll be giving you 2 options. It has to be something which is high in protein, low in carbohydrates, but very fulfilling as well. Easy to carry options, but yet very tasty in every manner. So the first option is you can have grilled paneer or grilled chicken or grilled fish along with veggies. You can have 120 grams of paneer or chicken breast or fish, rohu or surmai. Along with that, you can have saute non-starchy vegetables, which are zucchini, spinach, broccoli, and cabbage. Saute all of this well in approximately 1 teaspoon of olive oil or ghee as per your own choice, and you're good to go to have your healthy, high protein, almost nil carbs meal. Second option is if you cannot have this, and you can always have paneer bhurji with lettuce as wrapped along with it. So you can have approximately 200 grams of paneer bhurji. You can always replace your paneer with even chicken keema or eggs or even soya granules as well. Along with that, you can have lettuce wrapped along paneer bhurji as a wrap. It tastes super easy and super yummy, and trust me, you will not feel hungry for at least 3 to 4 hours post this meal. It's a high protein meal and very satiating as well. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes between our lunch and dinner time. So during this time, you can have bullet coffee, which is basically black coffee blended with 1 teaspoon of either coconut oil or 1 teaspoon teaspoon of ghee. Now this gives you good amount of fat component to survive throughout your entire day, and also black coffee is a natural fat burner. So you can try having this for your mid-evening snack, or you can have any herbal tea in place of it also if you don't want to have this. You can have green tea, chamomile tea, peppermint tea, or ajwain or jeera water, or you can even have black tea instead of this. Along with that, you can have approximately 30 grams of roasted makhanas. Make sure they are unsalted and just roasted in plain ghee, and along with that some black pepper powder, and you're good to go to have your mid-evening snack. And now we'll proceed towards our dinner option for this particular diet plan, which is zero carb and high protein diet plan, for which I'll be giving you again two options. The first option is soup. You can have either egg soup, or you can have tomato zucchini soup, or you can have chicken soup as per your own choice. You can have approximately 300 ml of this soup, and you're good to go to have your tasty and very low carbohydrates dinner. Again, high in protein if you add eggs or chicken to it, and trust me, you will fall in love with these recipes every single day because it is so smoothing and so calming in nature. It provides you with good sleep benefits also. So you can have either egg drop soup, or you can even have chicken soup or tomato zucchini soup for your dinner. Second option is, if you cannot have this, then I would love to give you a recipe which is basically zucchini carrot fritters. Now all I have done here is taken zucchini, carrot, grated them well. Along with that, mixing some besan. You can even skip besan and coconut flour or almond flour as per your own choice. Regular spices, and simply preparing them as a pancake or a tikki form. You can just simply use a non-stick pan for this, and your tasty and delicious fritters or pancakes or whatever you want to call them are ready. I'm preparing a very high protein dip along with that, which is basically made of paneer, hung curd or Greek yogurt, and some lemon juice and some black pepper powder, and you're good to go to have your tasty high protein, almost nil carbs recipe for dinner. Do try out and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now we'll proceed towards our bedtime drink option, which comes post our dinner. So for bedtime drink, I'll be giving you two options. It can be either a cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea, which is great for your antioxidant levels, helps you boost your immunity, and also works great for insomnia. People suffering from no sleep habits throughout the night, and trust me, with hormonal imbalances, this tea works magical. So you can have either this, or you can even have turmeric tea. All you have to do is simply boil 1 teaspoon of turmeric in 1 glass of water, mix it well, boil for approximately 2-3 minutes, and you're good to go to have your anti-inflammatory and immunity boosting drink. Along with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 3 to 3.5 liters of normal room temperature water to help you with detoxification, and also to help you with removing the bad toxins from your body very quickly. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com, or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306222, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me and begin the transformation happening. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query on any diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this diet plan, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming transformation challenges. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.